Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Have you ever wondered why our grannies are way more stronger than what we are today? Well, I just asked her. You know what she said? She said the secret of her stamina is the defatted sesame flour cake. In her childhood they used to have this at least thrice a month that keeps her very active, and she have way more good stamina than what we have today. So she told me a secret recipe that I'm going to share this with you today. So here the cake what you are seeing here is I have went to the oil mill and I have purchase this. This is nothing but the sesame seeds which we ground into oil, that what we call gingerly oil. So after removing or extracting the oil, the pulp what is remained is what the cake I have shown here. Now the cake I have bought home and then I have grounded into a fine powder like this. That's it, our defatted sesame flour is ready. Now let us see how to prepare this. Take a pan and add 3 spoons of gingerly oil and then add cumin, mustard seeds and also curry leaves and 10 to 12 garlic pods and 6 long slit green chilies. Now on low flame just stir fry quickly and add large long slit onion and allow them to fry till they turn light golden brown color. You don't need to turn the onions into dark golden brown color. Now here for 1 cup of defatted sesame flour I have taken 4 cups of water. So the same cup you need to take for the measurement, otherwise your curry will become mushy. So put it on low flame and add 4 cups of water and then add salt to taste. That's it. You don't need to add any chili powder or turmeric or ginger garlic paste, nothing, but this recipe is yummy. After adding some salt, just close the lid and put it on high flame till you get a boil like this. Once you get a boil, now lower the flame and time to add our sesame flour powder. Now with one hand you need to drop the powder and the other hand you need to stir it continuously, otherwise there are chances that lumps may be formed. Now this is simple as you prepare this upma or kesar. This is the same process. So you need to stir it nicely without any lumps formed, and after dropping all the sesame flour you can see the consistency, it will become like this. Now just close the lid and put it on low flame and then allow it to cook for 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. While it is cooking, on the other pan take 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil and put it on low flame and add 6 to 7 red chilies and allow them to turn dark nice red color, and then add another 1 large onion slit and then curry leaves. That's it. Don't add cumin and mustard seeds because we have already added earlier. Now after 7 minutes, see this is the consistency. Perfect. Now add the tadka or the tampering what we have prepared. On the other hand, add little by little and stir it nicely, and that's it. And cook it for another 1 more minute and your defatted sesame flour curry is all ready. Trust me, this is like very good for your health and also very tasty. Serve it with hot rice and you'll ask for more. Now, if you have this recipe once or twice a month, you can truly have an amazing changes in your health. You can throw away your multivitamin tablets and your protein shakes all aside because it's very rich in folic acid, calcium and a high protein content is there in this defatted sesame flour cake. Now with this rich benefits, why would you hesitate to prepare this? Do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.